Have you ever tried to edit your videos and then when you open the sequence again and you're trying to get your clip from the bin and you drop it on the timeline, it is not accepting to be dragged on the timeline. Either it is giving you permission to drop just an image or the video, but it is not giving you permission to drop the audio, or one of the two. Let us roll the intro and I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem in Premiere Pro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius. Last week I faced a problem or a challenge where I tried to drag my video on the timeline and it was only allowing me to drag an audio. And then I believe there are people who face a challenge of trying to drag a video and it is just trying to give them only the video and not the audio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve this problem in Premiere Pro. First and foremost, you're going to open up Premiere Pro, and once Premiere Pro is opened, you're going to look on your timeline. There are two sections, one where you permit your audio and another one where you permit your video to be dragged. So you will realize in any of the two where it is failing to accept an audio or a video, that section is not permitted. So you will activate these sections, and after you activating these two sections, you'll see that now your video is being allowed, or your audio is being allowed and accepted by Premiere Pro. My name is Pius. If this video has been useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.